Congratulations on hitting the end of this chapter. This chapter was all about functions. And we had a chance to really see that a function can be treated like a machine. You can give it a series of inputs and it is going to give you an output at the end when it is done doing whatever processing it is supposed to do. We have also seen that functions can change the way we think about our C++ code. Now we have the ability to split our code into little reusable components that we can call however many times we want. We had a chance to look at function signatures and prototypes, and we saw that we can pass input as parameters and grab the output from a function through the return type of a function. We saw that we could split our functions into declarations and definitions, and that opened the door to how we could split our programs into multiple files. We also had a chance to update our understanding of how a C++ program is compiled. We saw that we go through pre-processing, compilation, and linking, and we saw some problems that should come up if we don't have the definitions of our functions in place, and we would get linker errors, and we had a chance to look at a few of those. We also looked at how we can set up default arguments to our functions. We saw different ways we could pass parameters to our functions. We saw that we could pass our parameters by value, by reference, or by pointer. And we had a chance to really look at a lot of examples about these things. Next, we had a chance to look at how we can pass arrays as function parameters. And after that, we did a couple of lectures on implicit conversions and really showed you some of the things you need to be careful about. We ended the chapter by looking at constexpr and consteval functions, and we have seen that this is a really interesting subject in that it is going to allow you to move some of your computations to be done when your application is being compiled. This is really all we had a chance to see in this chapter. I hope you found it interesting. We are going to stop here in this lecture. In the next one, we're going to look at enums and type aliases. Go ahead and finish up here and meet me there.